Yeah, hello. This is something very quick for you. The C major chords and their related scales. C, C at A, C at G, C at E, then C at D, I hope by now you know the C-Kate system, right? C at C, C at A, C at J, C at E, and then C at D. C, 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 C. Alright. So, what is the importance of this and the relevance of this? Assuming you have a song like Amazing Grace, how sweet their sound. Once I rest on C, once I'm on C, the chord 1, here in the C shape, then the quickest scale I can play is to play the complete C major scale within the C box. And that will start from a So, from here, G. So fa mi, re do ti la so fa mi, re do ti la so fa mi. I can run this and play with this scale anyhow I want it, but I only should land on a safer note. I should land safely. Landing on a safe note means land on a chordal tone. I mean notes that are part of the chord. So just playing with those notes. I can start from anywhere and land on a C. Land on E. You understand me? Yes, this is one quick way to learn how to improvise using the major scale as they are. So if I'm here, from here. If I'm here, So wherever I am, I'm able to stand. I'm able to pick up a solo. Yet I don't care. I know my road maps using the major scale. Do you understand me? So let's take our time and learn them in the C shape. Unfortunately, I'm using the acoustic guitar. I haven't plugged it. I hope you hear it. Anyway, I'm Georgespratz. In case you are looking for one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Let's do it. I give lessons to beginners, intermediates, and even advanced students. Very advanced students. Come on. Pick the numbers on the screen. Give me a call. WhatsApp me, text me. Let's do it. It doesn't matter where you are on this continent. It is possible. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, you are losing a lot because I have a whole bunch of exercises, tutorial on this channel. Hey, anyway, let's continue. So in your C, take your time, play your C major chord first, and then learn its related scale, starting from the J, F, E, D, C, B, A, J, F, E, D, C, B, A, J, F, E. That is it. You can so. Then you come here to the A shape of C, and you start from A and end on a So. So slowly it's going to be A, J, F, E, D, C, B, A, J, F, E, D, C, B, A, J. shape, that's what I can play. I'm a. Just playing with the major scale. Then in the G shape of C, you learn do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Start from a C and end on A. So how do we play it? Going slowly is C, B, A. And I go to J, F, E. And I go to C, D, C, B. Then A, J, F, E, D, C, B, A. And I end on A minor. Once I'm in the E box of C, then I start from a re, do, ti, la, and end on a T. So re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Right? And what did I do? So it's D, C, B, A, J, F, E, D, C, B, A, J, F, E, D, C, B. And the last one, which is in the D box, I'll start from F and end on D at the top. So in a nutshell, I'm trying to learn the full major scale within the boxes. And that is F, E, D, C, B, A, J, F, E, D, C, B, A, J, F, E, then D, and sometimes you can bring it to resolve it to C. That's all. It's so important to learn this as a beginner and also as an intermediate student. All right. Because he lives. Just play the scale as they are. Because he lives. Because he lives. Just playing with the major scale. He is Lord, he is Lord. He is Lord, he is Lord. I did nothing extraordinary. I just played the major scale as they are. That's all. In case you're looking for further studies, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and give me a call. See you again and soon.